dias. Good morning. I wanted to make this video this morning to introduce you what it's like to waking up in Costa Rica. Wake up with all the birds. One by one they're up and they're making their calls to their buddies who answer back. It's all these different sounds. I don't know if you can hear them all. This is definitely my favorite part of the morning. Those noisy birds are at the top of that tree. There's 3 of them. Grackles. But there's budgies and doves and all kinds of different sounds. The monkeys are already up and back into bed. They get up about 4:30 and sound like the spawn of Satan when they growl in the trees. And they'll sleep all day now until probably about 4:30 this afternoon. They'll get up for a little romp. Anyway, maybe you have to come here and experience it for yourself. Morning in Costa Rica. It's really special, and I would love to show it to you. Pura Vida, this is Linda Wilkes in Costa Rica.